To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another Market Watch video. As you guys know, I haven't been uploading much lately, but yeah, life's been pretty busy. But right now I decided to do a really quick overview for just get you guys into the latest, how to manage your coins lately. As you guys can see right now, I'm on the page where the 86 rated players are at, and that is the reason because we are expecting FUTmas period to be out pretty soon, probably on the 15th. Last year it was released on the 15th, and in the PC database we already have the card concept of FUTmas player cards, so I do believe those could be provided again this year. I have checked with some sources, they seem pretty reliable, so we're expecting players potentially similar SBCs as we got them last year. If you want to see more about FUTmas, watch my previous video, but right now we're just gonna go through the investment. The 86s last year went up a lot. Now if you guys go and buy them at 16k, in my opinion, if you snipe them, especially the BPL ones and the Bundesliga ones, because they go up either way with player of the month potentials and all of that, those will be the most in demand. So I predict if you guys go and watch and buy high rated cards, probably Thursday is going to be another round of supply when you guys can get in, when there's going to be more and more people packing these cards because of the rewards. I do think that's the time you want to wait and get in higher rated cards. You guys can also check some of the 87s under 20k if they drop. That is always a good idea to go in on some specific players. The 88s at under 30k, it has been really profitable buying James Rodriguez under 30k. We sold him for 35 loads of times, but getting into the Bundesliga period where we do think that Royce can have a pretty good chance of winning it, I do think the high rated Bundesliga ones can go up alongside with what is coming with the FUTmas period, guys. There's gonna be mad SBCs in my opinion if you repeat it as last year, and there's cards and concepts, so if they release it in SBCs like last year, these cards are all going up. Now I'm not showing the 83s and the 84s because those are going up right now because of the Insignia SBC right now that dropped, this one here, but we got Champions League cards provided again. So because we got Champions League cards provided again, we're gonna go in and invest right now. So if you guys watch this video tonight, make sure if you want to get through my trading and investing premium trading group, there's a link in the description to support me on Patreon. You can get in my Discord room. We're buying quite a lot of these Champions League players tonight and tomorrow morning. You still have a chance in my opinion, because this is another wave of the supply where we can expect these cards to go low, and then as always they go back up, they pick back up in value as we have seen it. Now if we go and check, a lot of you have been asking about Champions League live cards, now specifically Perisic and Fabinho, Sanchez. If Inter does not get into the next round tonight or tomorrow, whenever they have the games, the Liverpool games, the Inter games, the Spurs games, if their club does not proceed into the next round, you wait for the evening and you wait for the panic selling. When the panic selling starts, you jump in, you buy these cards, because I do think that will be an opportunity. They will get upgraded as Europa League cards when their team gets into the Europa League, and they will get upgraded after they proceed, if their club proceeds in the next round in the Europa League. But anyways, guys, most of these cards in my opinion that you're looking right now, I'm not talking maybe about Farman, he still seems kind of cheap and lowish, but I'm talking about, I don't know, a Sanchez, Lingard. I do think they can push up a bit higher tonight or into Thursday. They could slightly go up, but I do think when they get their upgrades, these cards will drop in value, because too many people are waiting for the upgrades. They're stocking up these players and they're waiting for them to sell them when they get the actual upgrade, because they think they're gonna go higher in value. We've seen this in the past in wants to watch cards, in many specific live items. It happens every time. So when they get upgraded, I expect these cards to actually drop in value. So what you're gonna do is sell them before they get the upgrade, because when they get the upgrade, in my opinion, I can't see a Kimpembe at 350,000 coins. Quadrado at 420 is just too crazy. Out out of my mind, in my opinion. And when they get panic sold after the upgrade, we pick them back up. We store them, and we wait for the next wave of the upgrade, and we sell them again. Guys, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. We're gonna go through this week in and week out when they could get their upgrades. I'm just recommending you to sell pretty soon right now in the next day or two, because that's what I do believe it will happen, as we've seen it on a lot of live items. Now, if you guys want to invest in the team of the week, let me show you an example of the team of the week 11 and what happened to it. Since the team of the group stage was released, I tweeted out, all of a sudden, I tweeted out, sell your freaking cards. And I was right. We basically sold at a high value before Friday, actually, before the team of the group stage was announced, and we got a lot of profit out of it because all of these informs have been dropping drastically. And they have been dropping because even if the supply was low, for example, Lozano, I just couldn't see him at 80k. They have been dropping because these sort of events always shake up the market. Remember, when there's going to be a FUTmas period, and if they release it like last year, the market is just going to continue getting low. There are traders in the community telling people, you know, the market has too many coins, it will keep going up. I keep saying this. It's going to drop for team of the year every freaking year. I buy my mega team in the first week of January. That's when the low point for most of the cards will be. That's when I will stock the freak it up, buy my mega team, and I'll still have enough coins to invest and to make profit after the team of the year period. So if you're looking to do that, subscribe to my channel. We're gonna do that. We're gonna make a lot of amazing coins like we did for the Black Friday period, of course. But yeah, for right now, invest in high rated cards, invest in low price high rated informs as well for the FUTmas period. And if you guys are looking to hold any high valued informs, I do think they can still drop more, so you could kind of want to try and sell into Thursday. The high-end cards, meta cards like Pogba, Kante, those will also drop, in my opinion, the team of the year period. As we have been monitoring the market each year right now, it happens every time. So if you guys want to listen to me, if you guys want to get on with me, yes, just play it as we are doing and as my subs are doing, because reading the market has been pretty good on my end every year, and that's because I am in FUT for the past 6 years, have been analyzing these trends, and some of them repeat year after year because of specific trends that EA provides during every year. Now, the last thing that we're gonna check right now is the team of the group stage cards. I do think these guys will be good to invest short term investment, not long-term investment. Short term meaning a day or two. Wednesday, tomorrow, or Thursday with more supply. Those are the 2 days. Sometime in the next 2 days, I do think that this is going to be the low point. I'm pretty looking at Fekir and Handanovic. Now, the reasoning here why I think these cards will go up in values because they will stop their supply. I know some of you will argue, well, the Champions League Handanovic is just the same as his team of the group stage. Yes, that is correct. But the thing is that the team of the group stage Handanovic will just stop its supply. He won't be supplied anymore, and he will eventually, because of the rarity, get a bit higher. Right now we have the Champions League supply as well. Those cards are dropping. We're gonna look at them tonight. We're gonna buy them, and all of these cards should rise in the next period, potentially going into Thursday. We're also buying some of the informs with a good camp styles applied to them. We always sell them on Thursdays for good profit. If you guys are looking into that, the link is down below for Patreon. I'm also looking at Dzeko right now, guys. Don't forget about this gem. He's not going to be supplied anymore. He's 86. I know Pepe wasn't the best example because he's like 22k, but come on, he's just cream card. He doesn't provide that many links, and he's 22k. He was 17k at some point when he dropped. Same as Dzeko, but Dzeko provides good links. And why they rise, why do these cards rise, the higher rated ones? They go up with the market when an SBC needs the higher rated cards, and they're not supplied anymore. So since they're not supplied anymore, some people use them in their teams. There's demand, a bit of demand on them, and some people provide, like, they use them in the SBCs, and they eventually go up in value. And I don't expect Dzeko to go up to, I don't know, 35, 40k or something like that, but I do think 25k is a pretty realistic sell price point that you can get in. Guys, remember, if you want to support me, the Patreon link is down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you out in the next investment period or anything like that. I'll try to provide a new video as soon as I can. I'm just so busy. I'm seriously working daily here I have a full-time job, and I'm trying to provide you guys with as much quality content as I can. And like I can't be more thankful to just watch my videos, support the channel, subscribe to this channel, drop a like under the video. It means a lot, boys, and I'll continue to do it when I can. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon.